Howdy everybody, and welcome back to our Legacy of the Wizard aRPG course. We are on the final stretch here. This is going to be the last episode for this tutorial. Today we are going to be talking about chess, and that should be, like I said, the last thing we'll be doing, so let's get cracking on that. So what do we got to do for this? Well, first off, we are going to want to make a couple of objects. We are going to need an object underscore chest, and let's get the world, get there, and you need another object in this case underscore potion of restore all magic. Rather long title there. Anyways, so with these two objects we'll create a chest. So let's start with the chest. Over in the create event, we need to tell it what it contains. In this case, we're going to say contains underscore equals object underscore potion underscore of. There we go. Autocomplete. Thank you. And next off, we are going to need a destroy. Destroy. There you are. Instance underscore create underscore layer xy instances contains. And that's fairly simple, it seems, right? So open up our player object again, and we are going to want to add a collision event with the chest, because we are going to want to destroy it. So let's go over to the collisions, and with our new chest, instance underscore destroy other var underscore pause is equal to instance underscore create underscore layer xy, doesn't really matter where, instances object underscore pause audio underscore play underscore sound underscore chest underscore open one false, and underscore pause dot called underscore manually underscore is equal to false, because we are not calling the pause manually, it's being caused for us automatically by the chest opening. Underscore pause dot break underscore paused is equal to true, and underscore pause dot pause underscore paused underscore is equal to true. So this is going to be a true pause. It's not going to allow you to select stuff. And underscore pause dot type underscore is equal to 0. And these should let us cause the this should cause the screen to let us pause for just a couple of seconds until the chess sound finishes playing, and then it will return back to normal play after that. So let's see here. And we're gonna, well, actually we don't actually have to add any code at all to this object potion of restore all magic. It's all in the collision event with the player. So let's add another collision event here. And add some code in here again. And we're pretty much going to copy and paste this, because we're going to be creating the pause again. So instance destroy other. We want to remove the potion of restore all magic. Then we need to create the pause again, and again cause all of these pause events to happen. But we also need to say that we are filling our magic and set our alarm 0 equal to 2. So that should be everything, really. It's fairly simple and easy to get this in there. So let's go and check it out. Let's go and check it out, and I actually have to put it into the dungeon or something. Normally it would be found right there, but just to make it a little bit faster, I'm going to put it onto the overworld. Let's put it up there. That way we can get to it real fast. Dude. See, couldn't move while the sound was playing. And we restore all of our magic. Yay! Wink. Well, that's everything for this tutorial. Thank you very much for everybody for joining me. So I'm going to be on a bit of a hiatus for the next couple of weeks, where I will be adding up a weekly video of several different topics that I wanted to cover more fully, such as the display manager. I want to make it much more effective for everybody, and the collision code. I wanted to go over that and actually build a collision event with you so that you can get a better feel of the logic that goes into that, and anything else that really comes to my mind. So we'll figure that out as we go. But my next tutorial I've already started working on is going to be Chip and Dale Rescue Rangers. We're going to do a platformer there, and it should be fairly fun, and I hope you all join me. In the meantime, good luck with your programming.